Hello, Chef here once again, testing out the turbo knife. Yeah, this knife's very cool. Wicked sharp edge, made in Germany. Pure stainless steel handle, super steel alloy blade. Here we go. I'm gonna do one quick slice for you. Oh, yeah, tomato on the vine. Actually, I'm gonna hold it up and do a slice. Just a real quick test to see if it cuts perfectly down the center, as well as the seeds in the middle. You ready? Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice clean cut. Now let's move on a little bit more and do just a quick dice. And clean up this little tomato here, make something out of it. Okay, you can see it cuts through that tomato skin. Super, super easy. When I do a dice, I like to stack these babies up like this. Wow, just bites right through. This tomato is very ripe. We're just going with a small dice. Small dice, once again, 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4 inch. Just like that. This could be used for an awesome recipe. Same thing here. We'll just continue with the small dice. Make all these nice and even. You can hear that sound when this knife slides off the cutting board. Really, really nice. And you can see how it's stacked up. Tomatoes just gliding. The knife's gliding right through this tomato so effortlessly. There you go. That's a very nice small dice, and I'll be moving on and turning this into some kind of a recipe soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and score one of them turbo knives at the website right there. Have a beautiful day. Yeah. Okay, and to this tomato, I'll be adding some ground pepper. Yeah, love that pepper. Okay, sea salt. White balsamic vinegar reduction. A touch of truffle oil. Cilantro. Garlic. Shallots. Oh yeah. Okay. Give this a little stir. And to this we're going to be adding some Bulgarian feta. And baby spinach. Quick chiffonade. Turbo knife. Wow. Baby is sweet. Just glides right through. And that right there is a beautiful, perfect chiffonade of spinach. Okay, get all of this good stuff in there. Oh yeah, looking good. A very nice vegetarian tomato spinach cheese dip right there. Okay, I got 3 slices of ham here. I'm just trying to give you some ideas for parties. Maybe you can use this for a holiday party. I'm not sure, but at least you're watching and you're learning, and maybe you're gonna take this to another level. I don't know. So I'm just putting a little bit of this awesome mixture right here inside my ham, and I'm gonna roll it up. Once you roll these up, you're going to want to use a toothpick to kind of hold them in place. On this particular one here, I'm going to use 2 toothpicks. I'm going to cut this ham roulade on a slight bias. We're going to stand it up, take a look, see what we got going on here. There you go. Interesting appetizer idea for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Ham roulade. Nice. And please support your sponsor, share, like, subscribe. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, people. And thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.